So something I've been wanting to do for years now is about to happen. I bought all matching dishes. Something that I have admired for a long time now is people that have one set of silverware and one matching set of dishware and all the same glasses. Growing up, my house was never like that. To this day, my house has never been like that. And it's just something that I've always wanted. So I got a full matching set of black dishware and I'm very excited for this because I've been wanting it for such a long time. Let me show you what we're working with now. This is the current dishware situation. Obviously, very, you know, happy and grateful for all of these things. However, it's just not cute. And I'm very aware that this isn't like a need in any way, but this is a very big want. And y'all know how I feel about presentation and aesthetics, and I need this in my life. You guys ready for this? Oh my God. Here is what we have now. I'm going to use the top shelf for a bunch of like random stuff that we still need, obviously, for the kitchen. But this is everything I've ever wanted and more. I'm so happy with how this turned out. It sounds so silly, but I really just feel like I'm put together. You know what I mean? And I can't wait for this to be implemented throughout the rest of the house one day, someday. Can I show you something?
Yeah. What?
Oh. Yeah. Oh.
Should we have a plate breaking moment?
Oh my God.
Oh, we can write our ex's names on it. Just kidding.
These were the first plates we ever purchased at our first apartment.
Honestly,
they've lasted a
IKEA
long
slaps.
time. IKEA slaps.
Honestly, if you're looking for dishware, like Target, IKEA, I low-key think cheaper is better.
Cheaper come
is
through.
better. See, and these are deep.
Those are bowls.
Bowl.
That's a bowl.
I love this. Love, love, love.
Yay.
Oh my God, wow.
I know.
Wow.
I know. This is something we've been having a hard time with lately, is tracking stuff in the house. I realized we don't really have like an indoor house mat, so I just bought one off Amazon. Oh no. Doesn't work. Hey Google, play the Neon Bridges. Paint me like one of your French girls. something monumental has happened to me right now. I am working with Canon. I know. I have been in need of a new camera for a little while. I have my vlog camera that I use pretty much daily, and then I have my DSLR. I kind of don't really use as much because it's so big. When it comes to like efficiency and me being able to film, smaller, easier to use, more user-friendly is definitely the best way to go for me because it makes it easier for me to capture content. So you guys know I've been doing this for a very long time. So stepping up my camera quality game, I think, is much needed, and I think it's been time for me to do that. I am about to do an unboxing for you guys, like a real unboxing for you guys. The EOS R is a full frame mirrorless camera that is evidently ideal for creators that are just wanting to step up their content. I personally think this is perfectly suited for me. I think I'm in a place where I am comfortable with what I'm doing. I know my lane, I found my niche, and now it's about stepping it up a little bit. So many goodies here. I'm gonna be going through all of this. The EOS R has a 30.3 megapixel full frame CMOS sensor and a DIGIC 8 image processor. It captures sharp, high quality images with the EOS R's dual pixel CMOS AF for impressive autofocus capabilities. And when it comes to vlogging, the autofocus is everything. Here is the camera. This is definitely a little bit bigger than my vlog camera. So here's the size difference in the cameras that I'm using. This is the new one, obviously a little bit bigger, but it has like a nice little grip, a nice wide viewfinder. Also, the viewfinder comes out to the side, like so. Whereas this camera, my vlog camera that I've been using, the viewfinder comes up and out of the camera like this. So that's one of the main differences with the two of these cameras. It comes with the standard Canon strap, of course. I have a lot of these in this house. Battery. It comes with an interface cable, a lens hood, which is always nice, a lens case for traveling, even though I haven't been doing that much lately. When I finally do get back to it, handy. And then we have the lens. Oh my damn. Shoddy thick. This bad boy is heavy, which is going to be a little bit of a problem when it comes to vlogging, but that's okay. That's why we work out. This is the RF 24 to 105 millimeter lens. And we're gonna put this baby on. Okay guys, so here is the true test. I'm going to switch cameras out, keeping the same angle with the same lighting and everything, and you guys can tell me which one you guys like better. The quality looks ridiculously good. Oh, guys, this is what I've been looking for. This is what I've been wanting. I've been wanting better quality for the vlogs, and this is it. Now, the real test. Can I walk around with this camera comfortably? I'm not gonna lie, I'm using two arms right now. It's a little heavy, but I'm not saying that I would necessarily use this to walk around and talk. This would be more for like filming videos around the house, which, oh, the quality, guys. The quality is good. Hey, queen. Look at her all perched up on her throne. I gotta try to find Rosie next. It's her turn. You guys will never guess where I found her. Hey, cutie. I'm going to Palm Springs this week, and basically I'm gonna be taking this camera with me and trying to get fun, cool shots with it and playing with it, learning it, getting comfortable using it. Obviously, a huge thank you to Canon for sponsoring today's video. I cannot rave about this camera enough, and I can't wait to play with it.